YouTube. We back for another video today. It's about like 5:31 in the morning, so I'm about to run that POV for y'all. Finally I got my winter tires on, but so gonna get into it, y'all. We're gonna get into it, y'all. So I got your gang. Yo, look at this shit, y'all. Like, I literally got my thumbnail right now. Literally, I just got my thumbnail right now. Like, look. This shit is so mean, bro. Alright, without further ado, let's get it. Shit, bro. 5:30 in the morning in downtown is really calm, though. It's really, really calm. I don't know what they got going on, but everybody is sleeping right now. You know what I'm saying? Everybody is sleeping right now, bro. Everybody is sleeping. So, let's get it, man. I ain't gonna lie. I was thinking about go to the gym right now, but I'm not gonna lie, gang. I'm tired. Like I don't know. Lately, I be really, really outside kind of shit. Hold on, give me a second, man. Give me a second, gang. Let me put my seatbelts. Fuck. My seatbelts don't want to cooperate too. What the fuck? Nigga, cooperate. God damn. Sorry, I try to put my seatbelt with one hand. That shit. Alright, man. Finna take off, bro. About to take off. Take off. What? He's closed? He's not closed, bro. Nah, they tripping. Not as close for me, gang. Tripping. They are tripping. I'm feeling like I'm finna get sick too. I don't like that shit. You know when you got this feeling like you finna get sick or some shit? Bro, I hate that shit, bro. I really hate that shit, bro. Bro, we started getting cold and colder, bro, outside. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, nah, bro. The snow is gonna be something, bro. And I feel like the snow is gonna come early. The snow is gonna come early this year. Definitely. The snow is coming earlier this year, man. Downtown. Look at the light. I like the light, though. It's clean. That's a dealership over there, Volkswagen dealership downtown. It's valid. Oh no, I know they got a demon. I saw they had a demon though. I saw that shit on the internet like a few months ago, but I don't know if it still has it. But I saw that shit like a few months ago, bro. They got a motherfucking demon. Yo, look all this building, gang. Girl. Motherfucking downtown 5 a.m. POV. Motherfucking downtown. On a Friday, that shit. No, I ain't gonna lie. I'm going home, bro. I was really thinking about go to the fucking gym. But I don't know. It's like kind of hard for me now to be consistent with the gym, though. I don't know. Like, I swear to God, I don't know what's going on with me. Like, but like I said, lately I be really, really tired. Like, bro, I don't know. Like, especially like tonight, I felt like I was really, really fucking tired. Like, I don't know. Fuck. Oh, sorry. Yo, 5 a.m. all those big truck let's start moving. You know, look, let's start moving 5 a.m. You know, God, that word on. Bro, they're making money, this company, fucking security company making money, bro. Yo, we're making bread, nigga. This company making money, oh God. I just wanna get home. Top shit. Bro, what's going on? Oh, I was about to say, bro. Fucking turn senior is sticking like mad time. She is sticking mad time, gang. They're going to work. All of them going to work. Go get that bread. I ain't gonna cap. Go get that bready. Something's telling me to go this way because niggas be moving weird. Yeah, niggas be moving weird. Oh yeah, I forgot. Can't show my fucking speed on this shit no more. Can't show your speed on this shit, bro. We going to the highway right now, so we're gonna see what's going on the highway. We're gonna see what is going on the highway. $5 a.m. in the morning, but this video is gonna be short too. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is gonna be a short video because I'm not gonna record the whole thing. I ain't gonna cap, bro. I'm super tired. So like, I was like, yo, I gotta bring some content for y'all. So fuck it. You know what I'm saying? That's what we doing right now. That's what we doing right now. Nah, hold on, let me change that shit. I ain't know they got all those shit over there. But it's cool. It's kind of cool though. Fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all something, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, listen, y'all. I swear to God, like, go get that bread, y'all. Like, y'all cannot be out there doing nothing. Go get that bread, nigga. Go get that bread, my boy. I'm telling you, bro. Get that bread, bro. Can't depend on nobody on this shit, bro. Go get that bread, bro. be on your grind so much, you're not gonna feel like you tired. Bro, be on the grind. The real definition for me of be on the grind is like you doing your thing, like you deep in your thing so much, then you don't even realize, like you don't even think about money. Like when you really grinding, you just grinding every day. You don't think, oh, I'm gonna make this type of money. This how much of money I'm gonna make today. How much of money I make? Nah, bro. You really deep on that shit, bro. You really deep on that, like, bro. You not gonna think about how much money you make, bro. That's how deep you in your shit, bro. And I'm not gonna lie to you, like I be on my fucking grind, like I swear to God, like I be barely thinking about how much money I be making, bro. Of course you're gonna think sometime, but if you really on that shit, bro, you just doing what you gotta do every day. I swear to God, you just wake up in the morning, do what you gotta do every day, bro. That's how that shit goes. Like I'm not gonna lie to you, like that's really how that shit goes, bro. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just be on your fucking grind, y'all. I'm telling you, like, be on your fucking grind, man. Life is hard. Like I'm telling you, life is hard, bro. Like life is hard, bro. Look at this guy, bro. I'm not trying to do no speed and shit, but it's the fact that those big truck fat blocking the way, I ain't gonna care, man. You know, like taking the left lane, but you not really driving type shit. But I hate that. Fuck, I hate that shit. Nigga, shut up, bro. Fuck you flashing me for, dumbass nigga. But yeah, like I was saying, yeah, I gotta keep running that money, bro. Run that money up, bro. Swear. And put God first. Swear to God, put God first, bro. Cause God is gonna help you, bro. Like you gotta grind and meet God halfway, bro. You know. You're not just gonna be like, oh God, like pray God and just waiting, bro. You gotta put something. You gotta put a grind on it. You feel me? You have to. You gotta do something. You know. You have to, bro. And no magic on your shit, whatever y'all call it. Like it's no lucky on your shit, bro. You gotta do your thing, and God's gonna help you, and you gotta meet God halfway, and you know the rest. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what I gotta tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? But I think it's gonna be it for the video today, y'all. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick POVs because I feel like I was feeling like do a video for y'all real quick, you know. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, y'all. So be safe out there. I appreciate everybody who support, like, subscribe if you're new. I appreciate all the support, bro. Hey yo, I'm gonna keep grinding, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like even like I'm being busy, like I'm still gonna make content for y'all. I'm gonna do my best to make at least a video a week for y'all. So yeah, so I'm gonna catch you in the next one, y'all. So be safe, alright? Alright, to the next one.